Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter Mensuration-II. The exercise is 15.2. Let us start. So what is in this exercise? So you can see here the sum of area of all rectangular faces of a cuboid is called its total surface area, and it is given by this. So total surface area TSA, that is 2LB plus BH plus HL. That is the formula of total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid, and total surface area of cube, it is 6A square, where A is the side. A is the side of cube, and L length, B breadth, and H is equal to height. Now you can see it is looking like this. So that is length, breadth, and height. So you can do all these things. Now come to the example 7. Find out the total surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are given. So first of all, you can write the length. Length is 9 centimeter, and breadth is given as 6 centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. Now total surface area TSA. So you can write here the formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values. 2L is 9, B is 6, then B is 6 and H is 2. Now H is 2 and L is 9. Now put all these values. So now calculate this one. 9 6 ja 54. 6 2 ja 12 and 9 2 ja 18. It is into 84. So now multiply to this. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja 60. And it is centimeter square. That is the unit of the total surface area. So you have to write total surface area of the cuboid. Now come to the next example is 8. The age of a cube is 5.5 centimeter. That is the A. A is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Find its surface area. That means total surface area. So TSA of cube is equal to, that is 6A square. So you have to write here 6 into A square, that is 5.5 whole square. So that is 6 into 5.5 into 5.5. Now how can do the 5.5 square? 5.5 whole square is equal to, first you increase the 5 as a 1, तो 6 हो जाएगा. 6 की 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 30 आ जाएगा, तो 30.25. इसकी मल्टीप्लाई 6 से करनी है. 6 से कर दीजिए. 6 5 जा 30, 3 कैरी, 6 2 जा 12 and 3 15, 1 carry, and it is also 1, so 6 3 ja 18. Now put the decimal after 2 place. So your answer is 181.50 centimeter square. So that is your answer. So you can do very well. Now example 9. So you can see here length, breadth and height of a chalk box are given. So length is 10 centimeter. So you have to write L is equal to 10 centimeter. And breadth you have to see here, that is the 7 centimeter. So you can write 7 centimeter. Now height is given as 6 centimeter. So you have to write 6 centimeter respectively. Without considering thickness of the cardboard, find the surface area of the cardboard. So total surface area, that is TSA. Total surface area formula is 2LB plus BH and HL. So that is the formula of total surface area. Now put the value. Here is L is given as 10. So 10 into 7 plus 7 into 6 plus 6 into 10. Now you can do the multiplication. 7 10 ja, that is 70. and it is 42 and it is 60. Now adding to this 2 into that is 172. Now multiply by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3. So 344 centimeter square. So that one is your answer. Now come to the exercise. Exercise is 15.2. Fill in the blank. The total surface area of cube side is 3 centimeters. So you can find the TSA of this one. So TSA of cube is 6a square. A is given as 3 centimeter. So 6 into 3 square. So that means 6 into 9 and 9 6 ja 54. So you have to write here 54 centimeter square. The area of the front face of the cuboid. Front faces of the cuboid. So front faces is 2L plus B into H. So that is the formula. Now a cuboid with equal length, breadth and height is called cube. So that is the fill in the blank. You can fill very easy. Now come to the second question. Find out the total surface area, that is TSA, of the cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. So length is given as that is 6.5 centimeter. It is given here. Now breadth is given as 4.5 centimeters. So you have to write 4.5 centimeter and height is 2 centimeters. So you have to write here 2 centimeter. Now total surface area, that is TSA. So formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the value. So 2L is given as 6.5, B is 4.5 and plus B is 4.5 and height is 2 plus 2 into length is 6.5. Now do the multiplication. So what will be happen in this? Now 66.5 into 4.5. It becomes 29.25. Here 2 5 ja 10 and here 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9. And here you can see that is the 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12 and 1 13. Now adding to this, so 2 into what will be happen? It is 51.25. Now multiply by 2. So 2 5 ja 10 and 2 1 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. And here is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. So 102.5 centimeter square. So that is your answer. So you have to write this answer. Now question number 3. A cuboid has length 15 feet. So you have to write length is 15 feet. Now breadth is 12 feet. So you have to write B is equal to 12 feet. Now height is 9 feet. So you have to write H is 9 feet. So now find the total surface area. So total surface area TSA. The formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the value 2L into B, that is the 15 into 2 plus 15 into 12. Now 12 into 9 and 9 into 15. So you can multiply to this one 2. That is the 15 into 12. How much? 15 2 ja 13 and 15 1 ja 15 and 3. That is the 18. 9 2 ja 18 and 9 1 ja 9 and 1 10. And here is 5 9 ja 45. So 5 here and 9 1, that is the 9 and 4, that is the 13. Now you can add this. It is 4 2 3. So multiply to this 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. That feet square. You can write the unit feet square. So that is your answer. So you have to write this one. Now come to the question number 4. And that is the find the surface area of cuboid whose length is 0.5 meters. So length is given as L is 0.5 meter. First of all, you want to change into centimeter, so that is the 50 centimeter. So length breadth is given as that, no, that is the 25 centimeters, so 25 centimeter. And the height is given as 15 centimeters, so you have to write h is equal to 15 centimeters. So find the total surface area TSA. The formula is 2 length into breadth, breadth into height, and height into length. So you can say here, put the value length is 50 and the breadth is 25. Then breadth is 25 into height is 15 and plus 15 into 50. So you can calculate this one. So 2, what will be happen? So 5 5 are 25. So 5, so 5 2 are 10 and 2, that is the 12 and 1 0 is here. 15 5 is 75, 5 and 15 2 is 30 and 7 37. And here is the 15 5 is 75, so 750. Now add this. It is 2375. So multiply by 2. So 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14 and 1 15, 2 3 is 6 and 1 7 and 2 2 is 4. So that is the 4750 centimeter square. So that is your answer. So you have to write very well. Now come to the fifth question. Find the total surface area of cube having the side 3.4 centimeters. So side, that means A is given as 3.4 centimeters. So TSA of cube is 6A square. So 6A is given as 3.4 and whole square. So that is 6 into 3.4 into 3.4. Now you can multiply by 3.4 into 3.4. 4 4 is 16, 1 carries, 4 3 is 12 and 1 13. Now 3 4 is 12, 1 carry and 3 3 is 9 and 1 10. So you can see here it is 6 and 5, it is 1 and 1. So after the two place you can put the decimals. So it is the 11.56 and that is the centimeter square and it is your answer. Now come to the next question, that is the sixth question. Find the side of cube whose total surface area is given. So that is the total surface area. TSA is given as 216 centimeter square. Side find करनी है. Now put the formula. Total surface area is equal to 6 of A square. So 6 of A square is given as 216. Now A square is equal to 216 divided by 6. Now divide this one. 6 1 is 6, 3 is 18. So 3 and 6 6 is 36. So A square will be 36. A will be under root of 36 and under root of 36, that is 6. And it is 6 centimeters. So your side is 6 centimeters and that is your answer. Now come to the seventh. The wall of floor of room to be plastered if the length, breadth and the height is given as 4.5 meter, 3 meter and 3.5 meter. So you have to write length is given as 4.5 meter and breadth is given as 3 meter and the height is given as 3.5 meter respectively. Then calculate the area to be plastered. The walls floor. That means the walls, floor and roof of a room. That is the total surface area. So total surface area of the room, that is the 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the formula, put the values, that is the 4.5 into 3 plus 3 into, that is 3.5 plus 3.5 into 4.5. So what will be happen? So you can multiply to this one. 3 5 ja 15, 1 and 3 4 ja 12 and 1 30 and plus 3 5 ja 15 and 3 3 ja 9 and 1 10. Here is you can multiply to this one. Yes, it is 13.5. That is the 15.75. Now add this. After adding it is 39.75. Now multiply by 2. So 2 5 ja 10 and 2 7 ja 14 and 1 15. So 2 9 ja 18 and 1 9 and 2 3 ja 6 and 1 7. So that is the 79.50 meter square and that will be your answer. Now come to the question number 8. The measurement of the cuboidal box is 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. So length is given as 30 centimeter. Breadth is given as 40 centimeter and the height is given as 50 centimeter. You can see here length, breadth and height respectively. The cost of tin sheet used making the box rupees 10 per meter square. It is in meter square, so every should be in a meter. Find the cost. So the rate is given as rate is equal to rupees 10 per meter square. So all are changing into meter. So it is 0.30 meter and it is 0.40 meter and it is 0.50 meter. Now find the TSA, total surface area. Total surface area is 2 LB plus BH. It is BH not BH plus HL. Now put the value to LB is L is 0.30 into 0.40 and plus BH it is 0.40 into 0.50 and plus that is the 0.50 into 0.30. Now it is 2. Now multiply this 3 4 ja 12. So that is 0.12 plus 5 4 ja 20. So it is 0.20 and plus 5 3 ja 15. So 0.15. After adding we get something. It is 0.47. So you have to write and multiply to this 2 7 ja 14 and 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9. So 0.91. So total cost is equal to total surface area into rate. Now multiply total surface area, that is the 0.94 and rate is given as 10. So it is rupees of 9.40 and that one is your answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. The age of two cubes are 8 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. Find the ratio of their surface area. So you have to write A1 the first side of the cube, that is the 8 centimeter, and the second side of the cube, that is the A2. So you have to write 4 centimeter. Calculate the ratio of surface area, that is the TSA1 upon TSA2. So that the formula is 6A1 square upon 6A2 square. 6 will be cancelled out. Now put the value of A1. A1 is 8 square and here is 4 square. So 8 square that means 8 into 8 and 4 square that means 4 into 4. So 4 2 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. So you have to write that in the 4. So the ratio is TSA1 raised to TSA2, that is 4 raised to 1. So that will be your answer. मेरे ख्याल से ये सारा कुछ ये समझ में आ गया होगा. तो नीचे रेड कलर का बटन है, सो सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर इट एंड लाइक इट. इस बटन को दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके, और कम से कम लाइक तो बनता ही है, तो बच्चों कम से कम एक लाइक भी करेंगे आप लोग। और इसी के साथ ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त होती है। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ।